Welcome back to Fire Engineering's Training Minutes. I'm Tom Gies with PL Vulcan Fire Training Concepts. My assistants Phil Higgins and Chris Black. What we're going to go over here today is a person trapped underneath a car. They were ran over. But we're going to use an outside-the-box type of way to get them out by using a portable ladder to make a lever. Now, the first thing we would do is chock the other side of the car. Every action has an equal or opposite reaction. So by chocking the other side of the car, we prevent it from going down when we're lifting up. We would build our cribbing stack right here to catch our car. God forbid anything was to happen. We're going to slide that underneath to lift an inch and crib an inch as we're lifting. Okay, we assess our patient real quick, check on the status of him, and then I'm going to bring in my two assistants to set up my portable ladder in the manner we're going to need it. Okay, now here we're using hose stacks as a fulcrum. We're simulating that this is just an engine company who was out and about the town and rolled up on this. Obviously, this would not be our primary way of going about this, but an engine company that only has a 24-foot ladder and some of these tools would be able to do this. Other things we can use as our fulcrum, two crisscrossed Higgins or the wheel chocks from the fire truck. Okay, you could see Phil was just looking straight down the body. The second he sees daylight, he can pop that person out. Underneath our patient, we could put a backboard so there's less friction as we slide him out as well. Now, let's say we don't have a fulcrum. Okay, this is our class 1 lever here, and now what Chris Black is going to do is he's going to lift up, creating a class 2 lever. Okay, now our fulcrum is deep underneath the car, Chris lifts up, and we're still able to accomplish the same thing. Now, we get a lot of questions about the portable ladder. We would only use an aluminum or a wood ladder to do this, not a fiberglass ladder. Okay, as well as what does the manufacturer say? Well, the manufacturer says if you're using this ladder to save a life, this is perfectly acceptable. Just afterwards, maybe you want to send the ladder out to be inspected. I'm Tom Gies, Phil Higgins and Chris Black. This was Fire Engineering's Training Minutes.